Have you ever scrolled through Etsy and wondered to yourself, what are those little badges on some listings? What do they actually mean? Etsy's pick, bestseller, popular now? Are they just for show, or do they actually matter? Well, the truth is, these badges can seriously impact your sales. And today, I'm breaking down exactly what they mean, how they're awarded, and most importantly, how you can get them on your listing. So if you're trying to stand out in Etsy's marketplace, stick around, because this info could be a game changer that you need to succeed in Etsy. Etsy uses different badges to highlight products that are performing well, handpicked by their team, or trending amongst shoppers. These little icons might seem small, but they hold a lot of power in making customers trust your products. Think about it. When you're shopping online, you're naturally drawn to products that have some sort of validation, right? It's the same reason why Amazon's Choice or Prime badges even exist. They build credibility, and on Etsy, having one of these badges can lead to more clicks, more sales, and even higher ranking in Etsy's search system. But not all badges are created equally. Some are based on sales, while others are purely Etsy's decision. So let's start with one of the most prestigious badges that you can get, Etsy's pick. If you see this badge on a product, it means someone from Etsy's team personally selected it as a standout item. And no, you can't apply for this badge. You definitely can't pay to get it. Etsy has 3 key criteria for this. One is quality. The item must be from a shop with high rating and positive customer feedback. The second is reliability. Your shop needs to provide an amazing customer experience. That means shipping on time, responding to messages quickly, and handling all issues professionally. And then the third is your style. Now, this is a big one, especially for Etsy. Etsy loves high quality photos, well-presented listings, and a unique, well-branded shop. So if your product photos look professional and fits Etsy's aesthetics, then your chances go up. Now, if you land an Etsy's pick badge, first of all, congratulations, because this means that Etsy wants to push your product in front of more buyers. Listings with this badge often get featured in Etsy's marketing. That includes their emails, their homepage, and could even be a shout out on social media. And because of those marketing strategies, this has the ability to skyrocket your sales. So now what about those badges that don't require Etsy's manual approval? That's where sales performance comes into play. The bestseller badge is exactly what it sounds like. That product is selling a lot and has maintained a strong sales over time. Now, Etsy doesn't reveal the exact number of sales required in order to get this badge. But from what I've observed, a product typically needs to be one of the top selling items in its category over a 3 to 6 month period. So how would you go about getting it? First, strong SEO. Your listing needs to be optimized with the right keywords so it appears in search results. You also want to have competitive pricing. If your price is too high compared to similar items, then you might lose out on sales. Another thing that could help you is being a trending product. See, certain products like seasonal items, gifts, niche trends, they have higher chances of earning this badge. This is because during those months, you're selling constantly and a lot more, which leads to the last one, and this goes without saying. You must have good reviews and customer service. Now, if you get a lot of returns or negative feedback, then Etsy's not going to consider this product a bestseller or any of these badges. So keep that in mind. This badge, just like the Etsy pick, is huge at boosting conversions. Buyers see it as proof that that product is worth purchasing. If a listing has this badge, it means people aren't just clicking it, they're actually buying it. Which leads us to the last badge, popular now. This is great for new sellers and shops, and why you see it most often on newer items and listings. The popular now badge is kind of Etsy's way of saying, hey, a ton of people are buying this product right now, so you should too. Unlike the bestseller badge, which requires steady sales over time, popular now is all about that short-term momentum. If an item gets a sudden surge of purchases, especially in a short time frame, it can trigger this badge. So then how do you get it? Simple, viral traffic. If your product gets featured on a big Instagram account, TikTok, or even Etsy's front page, you might see a rush of sales that will trigger this badge. You can also push this on social media platforms yourself or run ads. But remember, that sort of advertising does cost you money. You can also look for seasonal trends, such as holiday-based products like Christmas decorations or Halloween decor, or even wedding items. That often gets this badge when the demand spikes. And if you're wondering when weddings spike, I'm in that niche. It's during the summertime. Now, another factor that can help you obtain this badge is a limited time discount. Running random sales can create urgency and it drives a quick burst of sales. You want to make sure not to run the same sale every day, but instead you want to switch it up and keep people guessing. Now, one thing to note about this badge that's different than the others is it helps convince hesitant buyers. It creates that FOMO effect, fear of missing out. It makes customers think, wow, this many people are buying it. Should I grab it before it's gone? And that impulse type of purchase gets them every time. So now that we covered all the badges, which badge is best for your shop? Well, it really depends on your goal. See, if you want a long-term credibility and steady traffic, then you want to aim for that bestseller badge. Now, if you want instant sales and boost that visibility, that Popular Now badge is definitely your best bet. If you want Etsy itself to promote your products, getting featured as Etsy's pick is a dream come true. Of course, getting all three, especially in your shop, is the ultimate win. So if I were you, I'd go back, listen how to get each and every single one, and make sure your marketing strategy is on point. And if you need more detailed info, check out my other videos or join my free school community. I make sure to cover all these from SEO to even how to rank on the first page. So definitely check those out. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.